By the end of this video, you will know how to make payment voucher in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online account and first confirm that the correct company is selected. This matters if you manage more than one company, because the payment record needs to be created in the right file before anything is entered. Once you are in the correct company, go to the left side of the screen and click plus create or plus new, depending on the version you see. In the menu that opens, look under the vendors section. Here, choose check if the payment was made by check. If the payment was made using another method, choose expense instead. This creates the transaction that will later serve as your payment record. When the transaction form opens, select the payee or the vendor who is receiving the payment. After that, choose the bank account or payment account the money is coming from. Make sure this account is correct before you continue, since it controls where the payment is recorded in your books. Next, enter the payment date. If you have a check number or another reference number, enter that as well. This helps identify the payment later when you review transactions or print the record. Now move down to the category details or item details section. The section you use depends on how the payment should be recorded. Enter the appropriate account, then add a description if needed, and enter the amount being paid. If your transaction includes more than one line, fill in each line carefully so the payment matches your supporting records. Before saving, review the information on the form. Check the payee, the payment account, the date, the reference number if used, and the amounts entered in the detail lines. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. After the transaction is saved, reopen that same payment. You can do this from your recent transactions or from the vendor history, as long as you return to the saved check or expense entry you just created. With the saved payment open again, click Print or Print Check. This opens the printable version of the transaction. QuickBooks Online does not provide a separate standard form called Payment Voucher, so the printed check or the printed expense transaction is what you will use as the payment record. In the print window, choose whether to print a paper copy or save the record as a PDF. If you are saving it digitally, select your PDF option and store the file where you keep your payment documentation. If you are printing it, send it to your printer from this window. Thanks for watching. Your payment record in QuickBooks Online is now created and ready to print or save as a PDF.